Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Digital forms of money have slowly invaded the standard awareness and gotten momentum. In any case, a significant number of them neglect to go the distance and will keep on doing so given it sees a mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this is conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try for, fun. Axie Infinity is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie Infinity is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing digital money. Players can acquire the AXS crypto by playing the game, and AXS tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT game editions colossal prominence around the world. Thus, this might support the general development of the environment and ETH according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Through diversion, one could zero in on making more riches, which became obvious when the Axie Infinity convention was developed. A game and token intended to be Axie Infinity Shard token was made particularly with a couple to bring the varied combination of digital money advantages and gaming. All advantages of play are based on blockchain calculations where anyone has the enormous chance of procuring tokens with their value of gaming sharpness, making more methods of tomfoolery way acquiring. Before we start with real Axie Infinity cost expectation, we should actually look at the outline. Being established on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie Infinity is based on Ethereum, ETH, organization. Furthermore, this isn't all. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie, however being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable yet in the realm of Axie Infinity. So be prepared to partake in the play-to-earn upheaval called Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity, AXS, defining infinite possibilities. Drawing motivation from Pokémon personality-based universe, Axie Infinity permits clients to procure tokens showing their gaming capacities, fighting, gathering, raising, and building a land-based realm for their pets. Every one of the resources and Axie hereditary information are essentially adaptable by outsiders that grant the whole ecospace of engineers to track down the premise of their own instruments and encounters. Established as of late in 2018, albeit the Axie convention is still in an early phase of its commencement, Axie has positioned the #1 Ethereum game and stays a top decision of every day, week after week, and month-to-month dynamic clients. Being a significant income worker for Ethereum, Axie Infinity has produced more than 6,400 ETH up till now. From one viewpoint, Axie represents a gaming and diversion time, on the other, it mirrors a social obligationist team wherein it sets out business open doors for masses and constructs a feeling areas of strength for of cutting the guide to a practical stage. Clients can possess the local Axie Infinity token of the Axie Commercial Center, gather them, and use them across a steadily growing universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Infinity convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. Benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and restrictions of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie Infinity, AXS, is set to make lives more enabled and quick. In an extraordinary manner, Axie Infinity convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses or speed or pretend of brokers. It completely centers around offering the clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and impeccable, subsequently supporting its worldview job in the advanced ecospace. Axie Infinity technical analysis. With a market cap of $2,790,117,693.06 and an exchanging volume of $303,585,284.51, Axie Infinity's ongoing cost activity reflects moderate revision. The AXS cost weights around $45.88 and has many valid justifications to amaze clients according to the most recent news reports with respect to the NFT blast. Axie Infinity has an ongoing flowing stockpile of 60,907,500 AXS, and the originators behind Axie Infinity are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Infinity has a great deal of vows to see for its fans according to their specialized investigation. In light of our Axie Infinity estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $505.415. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 1,000.59%. There is a slump anticipated in the long haul, and Axie Infinity might lose sheen, showing a negative sign by the start of 2023, so essentially, this is the ideal opportunity to trade Axie Infinity or purchase Axie Infinity. As per our Axie Infinity figure and specialized examination, the AXS cost could stay in an upswing and cross $63.54 before the current year's over, which will make it a wise venture. Axie Infinity cost has a promising future. It might get possibly influenced, yet bulls will be back, and around 2026, the anticipated cost of Axie Infinity might skyrocket to $3,462.061, making it a wise venture, and the pattern proceeds. Axie Infinity Price Prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, AXS token is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its clients. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost taking Axie Infinity shards, AXS, to cross all obstructions scaling the $63.54 mark. Axie Infinity Price Prediction 2023. Axie Infinity, AXS, has laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the AXS with gain a lot greater cost of $74.11. On the off chance that the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the AXS cost might try and see a worldview rush, and clients can acquire impressive benefit. Axie Infinity Price Prediction 2024. There are many Axie Infinity figures going ahead for the token. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the corporate has plans on, there are presumptions that the AXS cost might reach $81.14. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The intriguing special endeavors might wrap up making the financial backers gather the additions. Axie Infinity Price Prediction 2025. AXS's dynamic and local area drives. Taking into account they keep up force gathering a huge market capitalization, their drives zeroing in on training, effort, and developments might take them to a considerable degree of $99